Hey there, beautiful! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply eyeliner like a pro. First things first, let's talk about the different types of eyeliners that are available. There are three main types: pencil, liquid. Great for creating a natural look, while liquid and gel eyeliners are perfect for more dramatic looks. Beginner or an expert, I've got some tips and tricks that will help you create the perfect look every time. Step 1. Choose the right eyeliner. Step 2. Prep your eyes. Step 3. Start with a thin line. Step 4. Create a wing. Before we get started, make sure your eyes are clean and free of any makeup. This will ensure that your eyeliner goes. When applying your eyeliner, start with a thin line. You can always go back and make it thicker later. Use short strokes and start from the inner corner of your eye, working your way towards the outer corner. On smoothly and evenly. You can also apply a primer to your eyelids to help your eyeliner stay put. Step 5. Fix any mistakes. If you make any mistakes while applying your eyeliner, don't worry. You can use a Q-tip or a pointed cotton swab dipped in makeup remover to clean up any smudges or mistakes. Step 6. Add mascara. Once your eyeliner is perfect, it's time to add mascara. Apply a few coats to your upper and lower lashes to complete the look. Conclusion. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide on how to apply eyeliner like a pro. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and find the perfect style that works for you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful.